In this video series, we will provide an overview of OSHA-compliant products that Dixon has to offer. The focus of this video is air safety. Let's take a look. This is Dixon's safety check valve, often referred to as an OSHA valve or an air fuse out in the field. The idea behind this is that it is a spring-loaded valve. It has an arrow to show you which way the airflow is going. So when it's installed in the line, it has this valve floats back and forth until there is a disruption in service. If the hose gets cut or the fitting comes out of the end and there's no restriction in the line, the increased airflow will cause the valve to slam shut, which prevents the hose from whipping all around the site. Once the hose is repaired, the valve will automatically reset itself and go back to work. Dixon's brass safety venting ball valve. The idea behind this valve is that it goes to your manifold so that when you turn the valve off, the air or energy that's trapped in between the line between the valve and the tool is exhausted through a small hole on the bottom of the valve. This is a similar product except that it has a threaded NPT port, so you could thread a muffler down if you're draining air and you want to quiet it down, or if you were using this with fluids, you could actually thread a fitting and have a drain line going off to a drain somewhere, and then when you close the valve, everything that's downstream would drain out of the bottom. Another requirement by OSHA is a lockout tagout capable valve. This format you can see here has a little slide. You slide it over, close the valve, place your lockout tagout padlock through there, and that prohibits anybody from turning the valve on accidentally before the job is complete. Another version that we offer for larger systems is this version as well. So it's high visibility, red and yellow. You close the valve, you put your tag out here, and it prevents any air from going downstream to the tool and causing an injury to an operator that's just trying to provide maintenance to a machine. When he's finished, come back, take the tag off, open the valve up, and then air continues to flow downstream. OSHA violations can lead to large fines and legal problems. Dixon offers our on-site safety training program to come to your facility and identify some of these issues before they become a problem. Visit Dixon's website for more information on OSHA compliance and the products that meet OSHA regulations. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.